For today's video guys, ayan, may binili akong street food. So ayan, mayroong kwek-kwek at saka yung lumpiang Shanghai. Yan yung inorder ko guys. Ayan. Ayan, habang niluluto guys, ayan, pinainit ko lang guys. Ayan. So, mura lang yan guys. Nabili ko 20 each. Ayan. Niluluto lang yate yung order ko na street food. Ayan guys.
Nasa dito po guys, sana po pera sa quick food is 20 pesos. Lumpia Shanghai is 20 pesos din guys. Apat na yan guys. Sabi guys, pinipinsan natin. Ayan, kasi klaseng street food. May lumpia Shanghai, stick, lumpia, hotdog din yan guys. So much. Guys, ayan, marami na.
Mura lang yan guys. Ayan. Marami pa yan guys. May hotdog, cheese stick, ayan. May fishball yan guys. Ayan. So ayan guys, kumain ako nyan. So ang unang kong kinain is yung kwek-kwek. Ayan. Kwek-kwek yung unang kong kinain. Ayan. Kain tayo guys. Ayan. Hindi naman ako masyadong gutom guys. Ayan guys. Kain tayo guys. Ayan. Quick yan guys, quick. Ayan. Kain tayo guys, kain. Ayan guys, yung sunod kong kinain dyan is yung lumpia. Lumpia yan guys, lumpia yung kinain ko. Sunod yung quick. Ayan. Kain tayo guys. Ayan. Mabilis ang kain na yan guys. Kasi hindi naman ako masyadong gutom. Kaya tayo guys. Ayan, so yung sunod ko guys, yung kinain ko yung pangatlo is yung fishball. Ayan, kumuha ko ulit guys kasi parang hindi pa ako nabusog dun sa dalawang kinain ko. Ayan, so nag-order ako ulit yan fishball. Ayan, 10 pesos na yan guys, fishball.